Welcome, in front of me is a ZTE Blade A31, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, let's pull down our notification, expand it, and look for the toggle. So it looks like for me it's at the last page. Now I didn't change the order of the toggles, so I assume you can find the same toggle at the same exact location on your phone. Anyway, once you find it, you want to hold it the first time around. This will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how this will function. So we can set interruptions for people, apps, alarms and other interruptions, along with set up a schedule so the mode will turn on and off automatically. And under advanced we have just a couple toggles for quick the duration whenever you tap on the toggle from your notifications, and additionally the display options for hidden notifications, so just how the notifications will be displayed. Once you went through the settings right here and customize them to your liking, you can close this, and whenever you want to use your Do Not Disturb mode, simply find the toggle, tap on it, and it is now active. And additionally, if you decided to set up a schedule instead, then just make sure that the schedule in here is active. So you just tap on it like so to activate it, and the device will now turn it on and off automatically based on however your schedule is set up. So once you're done with your Do Not Disturb mode, you can find the toggle once again if you decide to toggle it on manually, and tap on it again to turn it off. Now that being said, this is how you could set up your Do Not Disturb mode, use it, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.